For Tampa homeowners, comfort and cost efficiency go hand in hand. The Florida heat can be relentless, and keeping homes cool without breaking the bank is a challenge many residents face. One of the smartest home improvements available today is upgrading to energy-efficient windows, a change that benefits your comfort, finances, and the environment all at once. The Tampa Climate Challenge. Tampa's subtropical climate means long, hot summers with high humidity and bright sunlight. Traditional single-pane or poorly insulated windows often allow heat to seep in and cool air to escape, forcing air conditioning systems to work overtime. This not only drives up utility bills but also puts strain on HVAC units, leading to more frequent maintenance and a shorter lifespan. Energy-efficient windows are specifically engineered to combat these issues. With features like low emissivity, low E coatings, multiple panes, gas fills, and insulated frames, they reduce heat transfer and block harmful UV rays, keeping your home cooler naturally. Lower energy bills and long-term savings. Perhaps the most immediate benefit of upgrading to energy-efficient windows is the reduction in monthly energy costs. By preventing unwanted heat gain during Tampa's hot months, these windows allow air conditioning systems to run less frequently. According to energy efficiency studies, homeowners can save up to 25 to 30% on heating and cooling bills annually after replacing outdated windows. While the upfront investment might seem significant, the return on investment, ROI, is impressive. Over time, the savings in energy costs, combined with increased home value, can offset the installation price, making it a financially wise decision for Tampa homeowners. Improved comfort and indoor air quality. Energy-efficient windows do more than save money. They make your home a more pleasant place to live. With better insulation, your rooms maintain consistent temperatures, eliminating hot spots near windows and cold drafts in the winter. This creates a balanced, comfortable indoor environment all year round. Additionally, newer window designs help with noise reduction. Whether it's traffic, construction, or the occasional summer thunderstorm, double or triple pane windows help block outside sounds, offering a quieter, more peaceful living space. These windows also help prevent condensation buildup, which reduces the risk of mold growth and improves indoor air quality, an important benefit in Tampa's humid climate. Protecting your furniture and flooring. The strong Florida sun can take a toll on your home's interior. Over time, UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, artwork, and curtains. Energy-efficient windows with low E glass coatings act as a barrier, blocking up to 90% of UV rays while still allowing natural light to filter through. This protection helps preserve your home's aesthetics and prolongs the lifespan of your interior furnishings. Enhancing home value and curb appeal. Upgrading your windows isn't just a practical investment, it's an aesthetic one. Modern energy-efficient windows come in a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes to complement any home design, from contemporary to classic Florida architecture. Homebuyers increasingly look for energy-efficient features when shopping for properties, meaning your new windows could boost resale value and make your home stand out in Tampa's competitive real estate market. Moreover, many energy-efficient windows are ENERGY STAR certified, which adds credibility to your home's sustainability and performance features, something buyers and appraisers value highly. Eco-friendly living. For a sustainable future, choosing energy-efficient windows is also a step toward sustainability. By lowering your household energy consumption, you reduce your carbon footprint. Less energy use means fewer greenhouse gas emissions from power plants, helping Tampa, and the planet, move closer to a cleaner, greener future. For environmentally conscious homeowners, this upgrade represents a meaningful way to contribute to the fight against climate change while enjoying tangible personal benefits. Rebates and incentives. Florida homeowners may also qualify for federal tax credits or local energy rebates when installing ENERGY STAR rated windows. These incentives help offset installation costs and make upgrading even more affordable. Checking with local utility companies or energy programs can uncover additional savings opportunities. Final thoughts for Tampa homeowners: investing in energy-efficient windows is a practical and forward-thinking decision. The benefits extend far beyond aesthetics. They enhance comfort, reduce energy costs, protect your home, and contribute to a more sustainable environment. In a climate where air conditioning is essential, having windows that work with your cooling system instead of against it makes all the difference. By upgrading today, you can enjoy a cooler, quieter, and more efficient home. One that's better for your family, your wallet, and the planet.